Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the win max pips indicator. All right, so we will start by adding the indicator to the chart. So this is how the win max pips indicator looks like. All right, it was developed to help trend following traders in recognizing and determining the current trend in the market. Okay, so as you can see, it is pretty obvious when the indicator is above the zero level and you have the appearance of these upward green arrows. It's a buy signal. It shows that there is bullish momentum in the market. And on the other hand, when you have the indicator below the zero level and the downward red arrows appear, it shows bearish momentum, right? So you can see how the indicator lines are projecting vertically, right? When the indicator line, they are just like histogram bars, but more of lines, right? And not histogram bars. So these are just vertical lines. And then at the tip of the lines, you have the arrows, right? So when the vertical lines are above the zero level with the positive arrow, which is the upward green arrow at the tip of it, it shows buy signal and bullish momentum. Then when you have the vertical lines below the zero level and the downward red arrow at the tip of it beneath, it shows bearish momentum. So you just want to look out for a sell signal when you have the sell indication appear. You can see at this place we actually had the appearance of the sell signal from the win max pips indicator, and you can see there was actually a sell move, right? And then you can see here we had a buy signal and there was actually a buy move, right? But make sure that you always get confirmations. Remember that there is no indicator that is foolproof, right? So make sure you always get confirmations. Make sure that you have enough confluence before executing your trade, and do not neglect proper risk management. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.